Hello and welcome to our latest Periscope video on consumer complaints, when and how to complain. My name is Mariette and I'm a Senior Ombudsman here at the Legal Ombudsman. In today's video we're going to look at how to complain to your service provider and when you can bring your complaint to us, the Legal Ombudsman. We'll also share some useful resources for you which may help when going through a complaints process. So let's start with some information about who we are. The Legal Ombudsman is the statutory body for England and Wales, and we investigate complaints about service that consumers have received from regulated legal service providers, such as solicitors, barristers, licensed conveyancers, and also from claims management companies. Consumers can ask us to investigate a range of different things. For example, if you've had poor service when you've bought or sold a house, made a personal injury or a PPI claim, or if you're trying to sort out a family issue. Often, consumers might be concerned about how long work is taking, the cost of that work, or they may feel that their service provider isn't keeping them up to date. But before we can help you, you must make a complaint to your service provider. So let's take a quick look at how to go about making a complaint. All regulated legal service providers must have a formal complaints process and must respond to complaints from their customers. A complaint doesn't have to be in writing, but whatever method you use to raise your complaint, it is really important that you make clear that you want to make a complaint. If you do make a complaint in writing, we have a template guide on our website which you can use. We expect service providers to investigate complaints thoroughly, but it's important that you tell them why you're unhappy and what you would like them to do to resolve the issue for you. This might include redoing some work, apologising, or reducing the cost of a bill. The service provider will have up to 8 weeks to respond to you, and if you aren't happy with their response or if they haven't responded within 8 weeks, you can then bring the complaint to us. So once you've made a complaint to a service provider, let's look at how and when you can bring it to the Legal Ombudsman. So the first step is to contact us after 8 weeks or after you've received a final response. We have a complaint form available on our website, and simply complete this form and send it to us. We have a video available on the website that shows you how to complete the form, but if you do have any difficulties, you can also contact us via email or telephone. Once you've sent us your complaint form, your case will then be assessed by one of our investigators. Once the complaint is accepted, an investigator will be responsible for talking to both you and your service provider and obtaining relevant documents and evidence and conducting an impartial investigation into the service that you've received. Our aim is to provide both you and the service provider with an independent assessment of whether the service was reasonable or not. If we do find poor service, we'll try to agree an outcome and put in place a solution that's suitable for both of you. If it's not possible, we do have powers to direct that service providers take certain action, such as paying compensation or refunding some fees, or possibly redoing work or apologising to you. So let's recap on the top things to keep in mind if you do want to complain about the service you've received. First, make a formal complaint to your service provider. Tell them why you're unhappy and how they can resolve the issues. Remember, we have a useful template for this available on our website. Then, give them up to 8 weeks to resolve the issue. Finally, if you're still unhappy, contact us and fill in a complaint form via our website. If you do need to contact us directly, you can email us at inquiries@legalombudsman.org.uk for any legal complaints, or cmc@legalombudsman.org.uk for any claims management complaints. Alternatively, you can telephone us on 0300 555 0333. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.